10th class chemistry chapter 2 part 18. Today our topic is coordinate bond. The bond formed between two atoms by sharing a pair of electrons provided entirely by one of the combining atoms but shared by both is called a coordinate bond or dative bond. Example: ammonium ion NH4, hydronium ion H3O. Condition for the formation of coordinate bond. Few conditions are there. One of the two atoms must have at least one lone pair of electrons, example ammonia and water. A pair of electron which is not shared with any other atom is known as the lone pair of electron, but it is provided to the other atom for the formation of the coordinate bond. Another atom should be short or at least a lone pair of electrons, example hydrogen ion. A coordinate bond can also be defined as the bond formed between an ion and an atom of a polar covalent molecule with one or more lone pair of electrons. A coordinate bond has a property of both covalent and ionic bond. Therefore, it is called as coionic bond. So, coordinate having both the properties, covalent and ionic bond. The atom which provides the electron pair for the formation of coordinate bond is known as the donor, and the atom or ion share the donated electron pair is known as the acceptor. So, in this bond, from the two atoms, one who is providing the electron called as donor and other who is taking the electron is called as a acceptor. Formation of ammonium ion. This is a formation of ammonium ion. We'll see. Nitrogen atom has 5 valence electron and hydrogen atom has 1 valence electron. In ammonia, each of the 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded to the nitrogen atom by a pair of shared electron. 1 electron from the hydrogen atom and 1 from the nitrogen. Let's see the electron dot structure of the ammonia. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, electronic configuration 2,5, 5 electron present in the outermost shell. Sharing with the hydrogen, 3 hydrogen required to be stable. So here we can see the sharing here, sharing of electron, 1 electron sharing with the 3 nitrogen. And this is present here 2 electron. It is called as a lone pair of electrons. And this lone pair of electron we use for the coordinate bond. In this, nitrogen is the donor who is going to give or share this electron, and hydrogen for the formation of the ammonium will be the acceptor. Thus, the nitrogen atom in ammonia is left with a lone pair of electrons. So we can see here this is the lone pair of electron. This ammonia molecule combines with the hydrogen ion H+, which has no electrons in its outermost orbit, in such a way that the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom is shared by the hydrogen ion. The latter thus acquires the helium configuration. This bond, which is formed between the nitrogen atom in ammonia and the hydrogen ion, is a coordinate bond. So between nitrogen and hydrogen, the bond will form and that will be a coordinate bond and is represented by this arrow sign, whereas the covalent bond is represented by the short line, this sign.